What's up, my good people? So today I'm going to teach you on my one of my other entry techniques. Okay, so I taught you on another entry techniques where I use the 200 moving average on the 50 minutes chart. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you yet another entry technique that has been working perfectly for me. Okay, so probably this is the last technique that I'll teach on the free group. So if you want to get the full or the entire strategies, there are like 6 of them and an extra one to catch the reversals. Okay, so this is the previous video right here. You can go watch that, the thumbnail. Okay, so today I'm going to we talked about the 200 moving average bounce last time on the sniper entries. So this is the second sniper entry. Okay, so we are going to talk about the hidden divergences. They are very, very important when it comes to trading. Okay, they help you to know when the momentum is there, enough momentum to keep pushing the price higher and higher. Okay, so depending on the direction. So let's say this is the chart. The market moves higher, pulls back, moves higher, pulls back, and moves higher, even higher. Okay, then on the RSI, so this is a bullish trend. Okay, then on the RSI, you find that the RSI moves lower and then moves even lower, right? So you find that the low points right here are moving higher on the price. Okay, I can change color. Maybe let's do some green. Okay, so you find that the low points on the price are going higher, but the low points on the RSI are moving lower. That is a hidden divergence on a bullish trend. Okay, are you together on that? Let's go to the bearish trend. So you find that we are looking at the low points on the bullish trend. On the bearish trend, we are looking for the high points. Okay, so you find that the price moves lower, then moves lower again, and then moves lower again. Okay, then on the RSI, you find that the RSI makes a high point and then makes even a higher point. So the high points on the price are moving lower, but the high points on the RSI are moving higher. That is a hidden bearish divergence. Okay, so let's go to the chart and look at some examples. Okay, like in this case right here, the price is moving in a bullish direction, right? So right there, in a bullish direction. Okay, so you can see the high point, low point, high point, low point. Okay, so they are moving higher, right? So then if you look at the low point right here, you can see the low point is there and the low point is here. So the low point is moving higher, right? When you look at the low point here and the low point here, the low point is moving lower. So that is a hidden bullish divergence. So if you're on a bullish trend and you find that the market is pulled, okay, and then from the low points are moving higher and the low points on the RSI are moving lower, you just know it's a good entry place to snipe the entry. Okay, so you just snipe the entry when the market is pulling. So I have several entry techniques, like 6 of them. If you want to master all of them and become a sniper on the entries and never get trapped on the trades, and also get a very, very minimal drawdown. Okay, if you look at today's trades right here, so this is 24th. You can see on today's trades, let's see what we had today. So this is today's trade right here. So we had our first entry right here. It was not based on the hidden divergences. It was based on other entry techniques, okay, that I've explained on the guide that you're going to purchase for 40 bucks, and as from Monday it will be 50 bucks. So it all depends on when you see the video. Okay, so if it is this weekend, 40 bucks. If from Monday, so that is today's date, 25th July. So as from 27th July 2020, the guide will be 50 bucks. Okay, so you can see we got our entry there, and then we got our second entry right there, and we rode the trend all the way, boom, and then closed the trade at around 27.90s. Okay, after cashing in all that, okay, around 50 pips without compounding. Okay, so that's it. The trade was only like 10 pips stop loss. So that's how I snipe my entries most of the time. Like on Tuesday, I think we had like a 9 pips stop loss and we cashed in like 70 pips. On Wednesday we had like 10 pips or 13 pips and we cashed in like 80 pips, I think. Yeah, so that's how I snap how good my entries are. Okay, I have like 6 entry techniques. I've already taught 2 of them. Okay, two of them, which will be very, very helpful in your career. Okay, so every morning I have to remind you, is a new day. Okay, so that you can change all the mindset that you developed yesterday. If you made money, you don't come onto the market with ego or anything. If you lost some money, you still have a very good peace of mind. Okay, and you'll be able to trade. So that is the first one on the bullish trend. Okay, boom, boom. Okay, so let's check on a bearish trend. Okay, so let's get on a bearish trend. You can see the low points, the high points here are moving lower, and on the RSI the low points are moving higher. That is a hidden bearish divergence, and you can see the market then dropped. You can check on maybe some other place on a bullish trend. You can also see right here, low points going lower, high points going lower, and high points going higher. Hidden divergence right there. So let's check out another scenario. You can see right here, the low points are moving higher and the low points are moving lower. Hidden divergence. You can see right here, the low points are moving higher and the low points here are moving lower. Hidden divergence. And you can see the market just boom. Okay, that's a very, very good, easy way to learn divergences. Okay, I've explained everything from the very start. Even if you are a total beginner, the guide will still be very helpful. I have everything there: forex basics, on leverage, margin, what is forex, what are brokers, all those things that you need to know. Then you head over to my strategy, exactly what my strategy is, all my entry techniques, my 6 entry techniques, okay, on the trend, and one of my best favorite reversal technique, okay, to catch the end of the trend so that you can never be trapped by the banks. Okay, and then you can just ride the next trend. Okay, and then I have like 4 exit techniques if you are a day trader, and then maybe if you are a swing trader, you can still use the same entry techniques but just hold longer until you see the reversal technique of the entire trend. Okay, so you cash in even more. Okay, that's it. I have like also 21 lessons, like 21 lessons that helped me become a profitable trader, okay, for quite some time now. Okay, so if you want to change your career path, so that it can become easier, maybe not tough, I also gave my trading history, my trading journey. It was quite tough. All right, so it was right here, quite some long story right here. Let's see. It was quite here. So this was yesterday's trade. We entered right here, boom, we cashed in all that. Okay, you can see right here, when the candles were right here, we had a sniper entry right there, the stop loss below. You can see that. Let's open that up. Okay, so we entered right here, stop loss was right here below, slightly below, and the market boom moved. Okay, you can see that on the next trade. We entered right here, and then the stop loss was here, and we closed when the market moved all the way. That was another entry technique. Okay, sniper entries every single day. So this is my story. It was a long one, so make sure you join the group, link in the description. You go watch, read the story. Very inspirational. It will help you become a better trader and learn that you're not the only one who is failing. Okay, yeah, so that is how I trade, that is how I post my trades. Okay, yeah, so you can see all the trades, trade right here, boom, boom, we have that profit. Trade was right here, boom, the market moved away. Okay, so many of them. So always make sure you join. Once I make a video, I just drop. Okay, so you can see all this profit, boom, scaling, boom, the market is just moving away. We're just making money. We've not had any losing week for quite some time, several weeks now. Okay, and this week I think we've not even had a losing day. Okay, if you followed all the trades that I've been giving, you should not have had any losing day. Even if we had one or two losses, the third profit was covering everything and even doubling the profits. Okay, so if you took every single trade, the trick with using signals is take every single trade that the signal provider is giving. Okay, so if you don't take all the trades, you probably will take the losing one and leave the profiting one. Okay, and then you start thinking that this guy is not making you any money. Okay, so you have to take every single trade. If you've been taking every single trade like I've been doing, you've made a killing. Okay, that's it. So this is the trade that we took today. We entered right here, boom, and we closed at around here, and now it's on a weekend. Today's on a Saturday right now. Okay, you can see that it's on Saturday. already 1:58 a.m. I'm doing this in the middle of the night, okay, just for you guys so that you can learn a lot. So if you like my content, make sure you like this video, smash the like button for me, okay, and also make sure you subscribe. It is very, very important, okay. Don't forget to subscribe, very important, okay. See you later, bye bye.